play a game because we trained every day. We didn't have the break. We just played to play more. It's more focus on physical things than tactical. But always we are looking always what we are doing good, what we are doing bad, so what we need to improve. And this game, it was ordinary game. It's players not motivated 100%, and very difficult to play in this, dry pitch, and other team is very motivated. It was not very important game for us. Just to keep safe, stay without injuries, and continue working. More important game is coming after the break, so we have to focus on what is important.